What's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Kaiser. Today's lesson, we're going to be talking about the GCF and the LCM. GCF stands for the greatest common factor. And what is the greatest common factor? So the greatest common factor is the largest number that divides into two or more numbers. Okay? Without a remainder. And what is the LCM, or the least common multiple? The least common multiple is the smallest number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. Okay? All right. Let's go to our examples. So our first problem says that find the GCF of 8 and 12. So for this problem, we got to look for the factors, not the multiples, but the factors. Okay? For 8 and 12. First things first, find the common factors. Okay, well, let's out the factors first. Let's start with 8, which is going to be 1, 2, 4, and 8. Let's out the factors for 12. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, and 12. All right. Now, we're going to circle the common factors for both 8 and 12. So that's going to be 1. That's going to be 2. And 4. So 1, 2, and 4 are the common factors for 8 and 12. But for our problem, we are looking for the GCF, the greatest or the largest common factor. Common number that 8 and 12 have in common, share in common. That is going to be 4. So our GCF between 8 and 12 is 4. All right. Let's go down to the second problem. Let's find the LCM, or the least common multiple of 8 and 12. Now this time we're going to list out the multiples, which is going to be the bigger numbers for us. All right. Let's list out for each one for 8 and 12. All right. List out the multiples of 8. Got 8, got 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and so on. Now, that's for that, guys. I apologize for that delay. So let's list out the multiples for 12. Got 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and so on. Put the 3 dots right there. So now we're going to circle out the common multiples that 8 and 12 have in common. So that's going to be 24, 48, and that's all I have listed. So now we're looking for the least number, or the smallest number, which that's going to be 24 as our LCM. Okay, guys, and that is the end of our lesson for the GCF and the LCM. And I will have more videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and Mr. Kaiser is out.